This single-story home is located off of the old road just north of Sloan and Castaic. This home features 1,257 square feet of living space and a two-car garage. There's an enclosed patio off the back of the home and a large backyard, which is landscaped and is large enough to add a pool. The home also features solar panels that are paid for. Welcome to this Castaic home for sale. As you enter, you'll find the living room with plantation shutters on the windows, vaulted ceiling, and an open floor plan to the dining area. Just off the dining is the kitchen with dark cabinets, white tile countertops, and a greenhouse window. And the family room features a fireplace, ceiling fan, and has plenty of room. The master bedroom has a slider to the enclosed patio, a ceiling fan, and an attached master bath with a shower over the tub and a single vanity.